Happy, happy Halloween! Bats and pumpkins is the theme. Hi guys, Chox here and welcome back to my channel. Today in the cake decorating playlist, we are going to make a bat-shaped cupcake cake and we're going to make a pumpkin-shaped cupcake cake in essence of Halloween. Alright, we're going to decorate them with whipped cream frosting today and we'll just have to go and see how that works. If you're ready to go, give this video a big old thumbs up and we'll go down to the table and see how this is going to happen. Okay, so here we are ready to flat ice these cupcakes with the whipped cream topping. Now because it's whipped cream, it is going to melt and kind of break down if we handle it too much. So a really quick and easy way to get your cupcakes flat iced, ooh, I got a cupcake holder on there, is just to take your cupcake, dip it into the icing, give it a little twirl, and then lift, and that's done. So we're just going to go ahead, we're going to dip these icings, we're going to dip these cupcakes in icing. Yeah, put them on a tray, and then we'll decorate them with jack-o'-lanterns and bats. This is so quick and easy. The bat kind of looks like a Batman symbol, so that's a lot of fun for the kids. But this is super duper easy. It saves piping it all out. Oops. Because whipped cream really does like to melt on you quite quickly. See how fast that was? We just did 8 cupcakes. Okay, so I'm just using the lid of a giant bowl because that's what I do when I'm decorating at home. And these are all ready to go. I have a piping bag full of black icing. So we're just going to go ahead and start. I'm going to start with the bat. I'm going to start with the bat. So it was just a W, 2 M's, and then we connect it all. So here we go. A W, just a wide W. We're going to put a little M underneath that. And another M. We're going to join them at the bottom. Then we're going to bring it to the middle. Bring it down to the middle. Bring it up to the middle. Oops. Bring it up to the middle. Bring it down to the middle. And then you can color that in if you want. Oops. Just like that. There we go. You can just take a kitchen knife and smooth that out at this point. Do. And we've got a little bat. Quick and easy. Let's make a pumpkin. Make a jack-o'-lantern. So we didn't need to turn that yet. We'll turn this little guy into a pumpkin. So very typical, just take your triangles. This is fun and easy for the kids too. One eye, 2 eye. I mean, imagine how excited they'll be when they can make a bat. And then a scary mouth. And a little nose. There we go, there's one pumpkin face. Now I know I said I was going to make a cupcake cake here for you guys, but there was an explosion with the mixer and I lost a lot of whipped cream. So we'll just keep going making bats and pumpkins. So we'll do another bat here really fast. A little W, M, little V at the bottom. Join it halfway up, join it halfway down. Or bring it halfway up, bring it halfway down, and then there we go. We got a little bat. Well, that looks like a very sloppy bat. Okay, let's do another pumpkin here. Do a little triangle eye, another triangle eye. Oops. Do a little button nose there. Oh. It almost looks like a kitty pumpkin. There we go. Hee hee hee, that's so cute. We're gonna do another bat. A wide W, a little M, a little M. Join it. Bring it halfway up. Bring it halfway up. Bring it halfway down. Bring it halfway down. Now I'm going to do another pumpkin. Here we go. You can do little button eyes. Circles. Circle. I keep wiping my tip to keep it nice and clean and neat so you don't get any of the other stuff in there. Now I'm going to do a little circle nose here, and I'm just going to do dots up and down for a smile. That kind of looks weird. I'm going to do another bat. So I got a wide W. I've got a little M, a V at the bottom, halfway up, halfway down. Bring this other one halfway up and halfway down. And then this last one here, I think I'm going to do another little kitty pumpkin because that's just so darn cute. I guess it could, well, let's try puppy pumpkin. Maybe round eyes is going to make it a puppy pumpkin. A little triangle nose this way. And we'll give it some whiskers. And just a little face too. Alright, there we go. So that is our little tray of Halloween pumpkins. It looks like we've got a kitty, a little puppy, typical jack-o'-lantern face. We've got a bat. I keep wanting to say the trademarked word, but we've got a bat and a cat. So there we go, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out here with me and cake decorating. I hope you give it a try this weekend. There's a lot of weird things going on this Halloween 2020, so sometimes it's just fun to stay at home and do some cake decorating with everyone. Alright, you guys, click one of these boxes hanging out around these cupcakes and it'll take you to a YouTube recommended video as well as the cupcake playlist where I show you how to make all the numbers and all the letters in the alphabet. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on the channel. Bye!